What's up, guys? I'm gonna be unboxing our newly acquired 304 amp hour lithium cells, and I'm gonna be inspecting them, checking the voltage, and just physically checking them to ensure that they are fine. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing in this one. So let's dive in. Alright, so they are in two boxes. There are 8 cells in total in 2 boxes. So one thing I found out is it's very tricky to take the cells, well, in this particular box, tricky to take them out without a glove. So my recommendation is, because they are heavy, if your hands are if you have sweaty hands, I suggest you always wear a glove when you handle these cells, because they might slip from your hands, right? So I'm checking if there's any bulging in the cell, and I'm not seeing that. I'm actually seeing a depression. So in the center portion of the cell is actually lower than the edges. I'm just trying to be very careful not to drop any of them. Well, so I don't think I need to use a straight edge, and if you notice I'm using a plastic straight edge. I don't think I need to do that on them all, because it's obviously sunk in, it's concave on the side of the cell, right? So I'm gonna just move along. And they come with the bus bar. Right. And the bolts to connect them. Right. All right. .248. 3.248. 3.248 volts. 3.248. 3.248. 3.250. 3.250. 3.250. All right. So they are not all exactly the same, out by 1 or 2 millivolts. Well, we're gonna be top balancing the cells, so that's fine. They are pretty close enough. So yeah, that's it. That's it pretty much for this one. Thank you for watching. Remember always, if you like this sort of content, like, share, and subscribe. And you may drop a comment. Let's talk about what's happening. See you in the next one.